Hello, this is the difference between fine lawn dressing for the lawn and contour compost. We get this question a lot because everybody's buying compost now, but there's two main types. See, this one is very fine. It's sieved to 6 millimeters. So when you put this on the lawn, it will integrate into the lawn very quickly. It won't leave a residue on the top. That means like when you walk on it, you won't get stabbed by twigs and sticks in the compost, but it also means it'll activate very quickly when it's in your lawn. But then we've also got contour compost, which we're busy loading into buckets here for delivery, which is slightly more coarse. You'll see it has much more large particles, and those are particles that are sieved to a more coarse grain, so that when it's on the garden, the flower beds, then it will integrate into the soil a bit more slowly. It will degrade over time, it will decompose further, and then release nutrients slowly into the soil. And because it's degrading slowly, it's keeping the soil moist. It's like a mulch. It keeps the soil protected from the sun. So this is called contour compost, and the other one is called lawn dressing.